Welcome! Today I am with Kia Sportage and I will show you how you can use the voice records. So simply you have to tap on the voice memo on the right bottom corner, and if you want to record audio you have to simply tap right here, and as you can see there we got the notification that every audio will be muted while we're recording. So let's make it. Hey guys, remember to subscribe our HardReset.Info channel, and see ya. If you want to finish, just tap right here and then take a look. We can check the quality of it. Hey guys, remember to subscribe our HardReset.Info channel, and see ya. If you want to finish, just... So as you can hear, there we get the quality of this record. As you can see, it's very simple, and if you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.